That is like one of the best things I've ever smelled. Freaking mask. I'm excited for all of it. Who am I kidding? Hello everybody. So, very exciting video today. I'm so excited, I can't wait. This has literally just arrived. I've been waiting at the window. It is the Lush Mother's Day collection. It's in a really small box. Like, I'm a bit concerned. I hope it's all in there. Usually when I do orders like this, they come in like a big box. So, hopefully it's all in there. Yeah, let's open it together. There's like tape on this. I wonder if it was falling apart. Weird. Lush don't use tape, do they really? I'm excited for Mama. For Mama's Day. Rude boy's just there watching. You watching, Mama? Yeah? Should we pretend this is from you? That you bought me this and I didn't spend any of my money on it. Oh shit. Oh, I bet it will be in there. It has fallen apart with the looks of it and somebody's taped it back up. Fuck. Please let it all be in there. I might actually cry if it's not. Two things I'll quickly show you because these aren't from the Mother's Day collection, but I needed to like restock a little bit, is two cleansers. I was using the Ultra Bland and the Aquamarina. I wanted to try some different ones this time. The Ultra Bland, I did like at the beginning a lot, but then it got like really quite oily and irritating to get off. Especially when I was in the shower and stuff, I had to always have like a cloth to take it off with, and it just got a bit irritating. And the Aquamarina, really loved the texture of that and the way it like cleansed my skin. Just the scent is not the one. It's very sea-ish. Wouldn't recommend if you don't like the seaside. But anyway, we got two more to try. So I have one that I always grab to like melt my makeup off, and then one to cleanse properly. So this time I tried the Ultra Plant instead because I've heard from people that this is really nice. I'm assuming it'll be the same texture as the Ultra Bland. Yeah. Jesus, can they spare it? There's like hardly anything in there. Not really much of a scent to it, which is quite nice. I do like that. The Ultra Bland does have a scent that I can't actually remember, but this is nicer. I like this better. Then I got the Movis solid facial cleanser. I figured I'll try a solid one because I feel like this would last quite a while, which is ideal. Got this because there's 3 different kinds of these on the website, and I got this one because somebody said it smells like cake, but I can confirm that it does not smell like cake. It smells like bread, like wholemeal bread or something. I mean, it's fine. It's not anywhere near as bad as the Aquamarina, so we can live with that. So I got those two, I think. Now let's get into the Mother's Day stuff. Woo! So I'll grab the thing that's staring at me, and it is, this is huge. This is the One Long Soak. How beautiful is that? One Long Soak bath bomb. Isn't that stunning? Look at that. It's really large. Isn't that large? This was, how much were you, my little buddy? You were £6.50. So I mean, not too bad. Ooh, that's nice. That's very citrusy, very lemony, I'd say. And I'm all about lemon vibes. That's gorgeous. And I've seen videos of this. It makes like a lovely tie-dye effect in use. If you're new to my channel as well, I didn't say, did I? Do feel free to subscribe because I will be trying all this out. I usually try all of my products out on little shorts for you. Yeah, just if you want to subscribe, feel free, and then you can see all this stuff being used. Next up, we have, I'll grab this one because it's falling out. Oh, crikey. Oh, how cute. It's the, oh, that smells nice. I can smell it already. This is the Mother Nature Bath Bomb. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Looks like this. Ain't she beautiful? Got a little pressed flower in it. Like, that is so cute. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's different, but really nice. It's really sweet. A little bit earthy. It's like I'm tasting wine or something, don't I? A little bit earthy, but a tiny bit floral. Oh, it's beautiful. This is a very good one as well because this is only £4. So if you want to try something out this collection, but you don't have much money to spend, then I think this will be quite nice. And I'm pretty certain it makes the bath like bright green. So who wouldn't want that? Beautiful. beautiful. Next up, also falling out of the box, so I'll grab it. I'm so excited for this one. I cannot wait to do a demo of it. I think this is going to be one of the first ones I demo. It is the, what do you call it? Is it avocado? It is. It's avocado bubble bar. Look at it. How gorgeous is that? Oh, so cute. It smells really quite similar to that last one I just showed, the Mother Nature one. Unless perhaps they've just rubbed on each other in the box. Maybe they all smell quite similar. This is quite lemony, tiny bit herbally, but mainly quite a fruity, lemony flavour, I'd say. Flavour? Scent? Isn't it cute? So cute. That one was £7. This one I'm going to pull out next is the one that I'm most excited for. So if this doesn't live up to expectations, I'm going to be highly disappointed. If you are new to my channel as well, I do generally blind order from Lush due to the fact that I have got a little baby. And we can't take you in Lush, can we? Because it'll probably choke you all up. So we don't really go in the shop at all, really. So generally I blind order, so this stuff is a risk. I don't know what it smells like, might not like it, you never know. But I really do look into the product and the ingredients and make sure it's going to be a scent that I like those 3 products just there. Very citrusy description, so I knew that I would like those, and I do like them all, so that's good. Right, this one that I'm most excited for is Yummy Custard. Oh. I got a little one. I was just going to go balls to the wall and get the big one and just risk it, but I figured I'll get the smaller one, and then if I like it I can just get another small one so it makes like a big one, you know. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm going to show you guys first because, you know, you guys are the main attraction. Ooh. Just a little plain, solid looking. Oh, that's stunning. Not as like vanilla and sweet as I expected it to be. I imagine pure like vanilla cake, vanilla extract or something like that. But this is, it smells a little bit like that Sol de Janeiro spray, I think. No, the Bum Bum Cream even, sorry. It's giving me that vibe a little bit, you know. Oh, that's interesting. That is not how I thought it would smell, but it smells delicious. Isn't that exciting? I'll have to use it first, but I don't think I like the smell enough to buy another. I'll probably just be happy with this little tub, to be honest. Next up, which is, again, I'm excited for all of it. Who am I kidding? I just want all of it. But I am very excited for this product, is the Old Songs Awaking Sugar Scrub. What a cute little name that is as well, don't you think? Okay, so I got a little one again. I love how Lush are putting their scrubs in these clear tubs now so you can see them. I think that's just really a nice little feature, and I prefer these tubs to the black one. They've just got a bit more of a vibe to them, haven't they? I actually never read you the descriptions, do I? I've realised that recently. I should read you the descriptions. This one says, a smoothing sugar scrub that calls for you to sing while you bathe or shower with moisturising babassu oil and shredded cocoa butter. Right, let's open it. Oh, there's lots of glitter on mine. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm really scared. Oh, again, this is not what I expected it to smell like. Like other people's descriptions, they've said it smells a lot like sweeties, like drumstick lollies and stuff, but I'm not getting that. I mean, a tiny bit I am. I mean, I'm getting that a tiny bit, but not overriding. There is like, I don't know what babassu oil is, but it might be that. It's like got like a floralness to it or something. Let's have a look at the ingredients. There's tonka, vanilla absolute, bergamot oil, lactic acid, vanillin. Yeah, like, it's not what I expected, but I like it, I do. Again, I don't think I would want to put, I'm glad I didn't get a big tub, and I don't think I would repurchase a big tub. I'm happy with that size. Okay, next product. This was very risky business of me to do, but I did it anyway. Well, it could have been riskier because it's a perfume. So in this collection, there's a liquid perfume and a solid perfume. But there is rumours that this perfume is going to be sticking around all year. So I wasn't like sometimes, like in the Valentine's Day collection and stuff, I did just blind buy the perfume because it's limited edition and I just wanted it, do you know what I mean? And by the way, I have learnt to love that perfume. As a little update for you, the New Romantics perfume, the more I use it, it's beautiful now. I do like it a lot. But I thought this time I'll grab a solid perfume and we'll try a solid one out before going for the liquid blindly, obviously. And this is £10 as opposed to £30, which the liquid perfume is. I'm extremely nervous for this, but we're gonna do it. So, little solid perfume. Oh, that's shinier than I thought. Ready? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm glad I didn't get the liquid because it's okay. It sort of just probably smells a bit like something my partner would wear as opposed to me. It's very masculine, what I deem to be a masculine scent. Everyone's preferences and stuff differ. But to me, I like sort of sweeter scents. This is very, got some masculine notes in it. I don't know what to do with this. I might have to keep sniffing it. If not, I might sell it. I don't know. Yeah, this was £10. I can't get there's no ingredients on this, but have a look on the website if you're interested. I would recommend highly smelling this in person. I knew it was risky when I did it, but hey ho. Again, it's got, I get like this with some Lush products. It's got a hint of cleaning product to me. I don't know if it's some oil or something they put in there, but it reminds me a little bit of like, or an air freshener vibe. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Not sure about that perfume, not sure. Next up, I pretty much got this just for like shits and giggles, to be honest with you. I think it's going to be hilarious and it's going to make for a funny video. So it is the Queen Bee face mask. Now, the face masks that Lush do are absolutely terrifying. The sheet masks anyway, they're so scary. But I was like, I see everyone using them and they look so fun. So I thought I'd grab one, you know, why not? And I think with these, you can pop them in the fridge and reuse them for 7 days. So you can get your money's worth out of them. I believe this was £9, which, like I said, it's a bit steep, but you've got 7. That's so terrifying. It looks a bit like a cake. What the fuck? Oh no. It's like a gimp mask. What the fuck? Can you see? Yeah. That's terrifying, isn't it? Look at that. It's a lot thicker than I thought it was as well. It's pretty weighty. It's going to like weigh you right down in the bath. Oh, it smells like honey I washed that makes sense because it's a bee. It smells like honey I washed the kids. Oh, that's amazing. Anyway, yeah, stay tuned because I'm probably going to try this out second. I'm not going to lie because it's fucking hilarious. Next up, we have the Snuggles Shower Gel. This is meant to smell like Butterball Bath Bomb. From what people have been saying, I've never actually tried that bath bomb, so I wouldn't know. But I did hear that it smells predominantly vanilla-y and sweet and lovely. So I was going to risk getting a big one of this, and then I thought, again, no, don't be stupid. So I just got the small one. I stuck with the small one, and if I like it, I can get another. It's not an issue, is it, Charlie? You're just being very greedy. Let's give this a whiff. I was watching Melody do a video yesterday of her that she was part of the PR that got sent for products, and she said this was really foamy, and it is like really foamy. It's super unusual. Oh god, I don't want it to fall everywhere. Can you see that? It's like froth. Weird. I'm going nose blind. This isn't good. Smells okay. It is vanilla-y, but it's got an undertone to it. You know me with my undertones. There's always an undertone with me. It's got a slight undertone, but I'm not mad at it. So this says, take a trip to Snuggletown with this comforting embrace of moisturising cocoa butter. Wrap yourself up in creamy loves and feel the love. It's nice. It's sweet. It's sort of like vanilla ice cream, but with like a little, you know, a little something to it. Next up, I'm so excited for this. This is stunning. Oh my God. That smells so fucking good. Is the Sticky Syrup Soap. How beautiful is that? It's like pure, it's like a gold brick with like little flowers on. I'm all about that. Oh, that is like one of the best things I've ever smelled recently. But not far off also one of the best things I've ever smelled. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's like, it's better than the shower gel in my opinion. It's like pure golden syrup, but like really rich and beautiful. I'm so gonna have to get another one of them before it goes, because that is delicious. Beautiful. Highly recommend this. Something's missing. Bath bomb. Oh, that's really sad. Shit, I didn't take a picture of the box either. Do you reckon they'll be okay if I take one like that? Because I want my bath bomb. Okay, that's really sad. I did also order the Blooming Beautiful Orange Blossom Bath Bomb, which smells like Celebrate, the Celebrate scent. And I didn't get a Lush Times again. Oh, that's really sad. I was excited for that one. And never mind, I'll email them. Hopefully they'll send another one out, I would have thought. Yeah, there it is, but it's not in the box. Never mind. First impressions, lovely. I'm happy with everything I got. Super happy with that sticky syrups. What's it called? Sticky syrup soap. That is, I still smell it in my fingers. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, that's it, guys. Super pumped for that. We've got Easter coming up soon as well, which is making me pour. It's gonna make me pour anyway. Easter, I believe, is released on the 15th of February. So we'll be getting some bits out of that, won't we? Because they have a, spoiler, if you don't want to know, don't listen. They've got a sticky dates scrub and lotion in that collection, and that's going to go fantastically with that soap. So we're really excited for that. This video is really long. I hope I can cut bits out. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do. And then you'll see all the demos of this lovely stuff. How fun. Have a fantastic day, or well, evening it is for me now, but this video should be uploaded for you tonight, hopefully. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.